In this video, I'm going to show you how to do chi-square test. We do chi-square test normally when we have two categorical variables and we want to do some statistical significance difference in the outcome of the interaction of the two categorical variables. So for instance, let's pick gender and let's pick school type. Okay, I want to see if there is a difference in the gender in going to private or public school. So in this case, in both the variables, I have two categories, but actually we can have more than two categories in chi-square test, and that's fine. But in this case, we'll have two, and let's see, just to show you how it works. So for chi-square test, we will go to analyze, we'll go to descriptives, and then we will go to crosstabs. Normally, I'll put the outcome, which in my case is school type, outcome on the column, and categories on the row. Okay, so if I now click OK, what we will see is the observed values for these two groups. Okay, let's click OK and see. So for instance, here, as you can see here, we have the gender, so male and female, 0 is male and 1 is female, and school type 1 and 2, public and private. So here we can see that 77 are going to public, 77 male are going to public, and 91 male are going to public. And here we see that 14 male are going to private and 18 male are going to private. Okay, so in total we have 200 and 200. But now we want to see if there is a significant difference in the gender in going to public or private schools. Okay, so for that we have to run a chi-square test, and we will go to analyze, we'll go to descriptives, the same place, crosstabs, and then we'll go to statistics. I will mark the test chi-square. Okay, continue. I will go to cells. I will actually want to see the expected values for each of the cells as well. Okay, I'll click continue. I will click OK. So the chi-square test, as you already know, I guess, that it works based on the observed and expected values. So we have seen the observed values. So here we have the observed values and then expected values for each of the cells, and it looks into the difference between them. That's what it does. Okay, so I'm not going to the theory now and how to calculate it, but just to show you how it works in SPSS. And here we will look mostly here. All the values says the same thing. Okay, because none of them are significant, but normally the Pearson chi-square, that's the most common one, I would say. And here, looking at this asymptotic significance, two-sided, as it is higher than 0.05, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. So in this case, the null hypothesis was that there is no difference in male and female in going to private and public school. So as the p-value is higher than 0.05, we will fail to reject it. So that means that we accept the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference between males and female in going to private schools, private or public schools. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.